Okay. Show me.
Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the DutchRC channel for an update video on this, the WLtoys V950 helicopter. A nice entry-level helicopter. While there's a train passing by. Okay, what I'll do in this video is fly it in idle up mode. I'll do a separate video on 3D mode and collective pitch. Well, that's kind of the same thing, but not entirely in this helicopter, as you'll see. I did consider putting all those flights into one video, but it would be a rather long video. I don't really like to do that. Besides that, I want to add some tips and tricks in the collective pitch flying video on how to fly your heli safely in collective pitch mode, and how to not destroy your ESC, and how to not waste your battery. So yeah, that'll be coming up in the next video actually. In this video, like I said, we'll be flying it idle up in low rates and in high rates. So let's get the show on the road. And we are airborne. Now I have to say that I'm more used to collective pitch flying than idle up. So this will take some getting used to for me. But I should be able to fly this heli. There is more wind than I would have liked. Oh well. There's the Netherlands for you. Low rates, as mentioned. And I am fighting the wind slightly. Fence coming up. Ooh, fighting the wind is more of a challenge than I would have expected. Maybe that'll be easier in high rates. But yeah, let's call this beginner mode. Idle up. So no 3D stuff going on. And basically you control the altitude with your throttle stick. And maybe the helicopter mixes a bit of the pitch into that as well. I'm not sure. In most helis that is done. But yeah, it does fly pretty easily. Huh. It is gyro assisted, 6-axis. So I would say that this is a nice beginner heli. The price is pretty friendly as well. Okay, so yeah, this is also kind of its maximum speed in low rates. This, oh, pretty decent actually. Not bad. Okay, I'm getting a little more familiar with the heli as well. Still fighting the wind. Damn, I've hit a fence quite a number of times. I've almost hit a fence quite a number of times. Okay, let's bring it back in. Against the wind. And try and land it. Okay, now dual rates. In the transmitter you see an L over here when you're in low rates. If I press this button over here, sorry, this one, it now says H, high rates. So we now should be in high rates. Let's see how that works out. It does still fly. Ah yeah, now I have more authority against the wind. Definitely. The yaw rate seems pretty much unaffected, by the way. the wind has picked up as well. Damn it! I hope you can actually still hear me. Okay, so now in high rates I can fly it at steeper angles. It's not super touchy all of a sudden. If you are a beginner and have flown this heli, say, 4 times, you would be well able to fly it in high rates. It's not suddenly a handful. And it's, despite the wind, enjoyable to fly, really. So far, no bad tendencies. Again, in idle up mode. Yeah, this is a pretty satisfying experience. The speed is pretty decent. It's not like you're flying a coaxial heli. Those would not be able to fly well in this wind. Coaxial helis, yeah, those 2 extra blades or 3 extra blades do catch far more wind. Okay, this is enjoyable. Pretty relaxing. Yeah, again, I'm not used to flying idle up, so that takes a little bit of getting used to for me, but other than that, pretty nice flight. The heli sounds pretty healthy as well still. I'd say this is my 15th flight with it, and yes, all other flights I did with it were collective pitch flights. Cool stuff. For my liking, the high rates could have been a little higher. Let's try and show you what the maximum pitch forward is. This. Not enormous, right? Yeah, again, it's a beginner heli, so maybe that's not such a bad choice by WLtoys. If a beginner would accidentally fly it in high rates, he or she wouldn't be in a world of trouble. Okie dokie, I have no idea how long my flight has been, so let's bring it in before the battery dies on us. Come on, yeah, fighting the wind, come on. Come on. Let's set her down a little more gently than the first time. Damn, that wind doesn't help. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. A sliding landing. Cool. Safety on. Set it back to low rates. Okay, tell me what you think. So far this heli works out pretty well, I think. I enjoyed flying it, even though I'm used to bigger and faster helis. It was fun to fly. Now in the next video, as mentioned before, we'll be flying it collective pitch. So hold on for that. For now, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you on the next video. Bye bye.